how to enable or disable type to Siri option on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable type to Siri option on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your device settings. So just go to settings and scroll down till you find the option accessibility. So just click on accessibility, and over here you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Siri under general. And here just at the top you'll be able to see an option that says type to Siri. So in this case, Siri will listen for voice input when you press and hold the side button. So for that, what you're going to do is just click on this toggle button. And now you can see that the toggle button is enabled. So when you press and hold the side button, Siri will allow you to type your request rather than speaking them. So let's just try that. So I'm going to press and hold my side button. And now you can see that I've pressed and held my side button, and here I've got a prompt that says type to Siri. So instead of speaking, I'm just going to type to Siri, like I'm going to type anything to it and it will respond me without speaking. So that was basically how I can enable type to Siri. Now, if you wish to disable this feature and you wish Siri to respond only if you speak, so you can just toggle this button off and that option would be disabled. So that was basically how you can enable or disable the type to Siri feature on your iOS device. And if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.